Good morning, everybody. Today is April 30th, 2021, and we are going to be taking a look at gold, silver, the S&P 500, and Bitcoin. Going over to gold. Gold is now back inside of the channel on the 4-hour. Looking into the daily, we are correcting. If we close anywhere below the midpoint of the wick of this 3 candle, I am expecting some more downside. However, if we do manage to close a green candle at this point, I am expecting a run to this 1804 area. Now let's go over to silver. Silver is also having a similar issue. Silver is basically breaking back down to retest this area of support that we were riding along. And what I want to see is a close of this daily candle above this trend line. I do not want to see this trend line broken. As long as that happens, I think we're in the bullish case. If we break down from this trend line, we are either going to find support somewhere in this vicinity right here, which is 25.46, or somewhere around 25.76. These two areas are pretty strong with the moving averages. All right, going over to the S&P 500. The S&P 500 on the weekly is having a down day. You can see here that today's candle hasn't been great yet. But there's still 4 hours and 33 minutes until the close of this daily candle. So we'll see where this 8 goes. Like I've said before, I want a breakdown soon because I want to get out of this this steep angle momentum and reset the chart. Even just going sideways will fix the problem. And going over to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is rallying in the last 4 hours. So we've had a huge pump right into the moving averages. We are around 56,932 on the index. That's close enough in my opinion. Now, I want you to take note here. On the 1 hour, we actually had an inverted head and shoulders that caused the price pump from the breakout with a price target of from 52 to 54. So which is a $2,000 move, which we hit. The other thing to note is that we have another head and shoulders right here. This is all one consolidated head and shoulders pattern. So paying attention to that, you have a shoulder, head, and a shoulder, and now you're at the neckline again. So we're going to see if we're going to break out from here. The funding rate is favoring the bulls, I think. So we'll see where that's going. Going over to the weekly chart, I made a mistake about where the green 1 would happen. I was taking the open of this green 2 instead of the close. The close is where it needs to be. So I'm expecting a green 1 to start at 58.26 on the weekly, and then a green 2 to start on the following week, anything above $6,217. That was my bad. Just off by a little bit. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.